Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated workflow for sending broadcast emails to multiple contractors. In the previous version, the send broadcast email option appeared below the contractor list and remained grayed out until contractors were selected. With the updated workflow, the broadcast email button is no longer located below the contractor list. Instead, once you click and select a contractor, the button will now appear on the right side of the contractor list along with the total number of selected contractors. After selecting the contractors you want to email, click the broadcast email button to open the email form. From there, you'll see the same email detail fields as before. Simply fill out the required information and send the email as needed. This update makes the broadcast email action more visible after contractor selection, while keeping the rest of the email process familiar and unchanged. Thank you for watching.